welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marie and welcome to today's video. In my recent videos, I have been sharing my weight loss journey with you guys, and so far I am down 10 pounds. So I thought I would continue to share with you what I am doing exactly to see results. Of course, meal prepping is no secret. Everyone has heard of it, and there's a reason for that. It really is effective, and what it really does is just help you keep track of what you are eating and putting into your body. When you're more in a rush and you just need to pick something and eat quickly and get on with what you're doing, if you have something that is already prepared and ready to go, all you need to do is just heat it up and eat it. That is really going to help you out if you are on a weight loss journey. The recipe I will be showing you today is actually one of my favorites. Now, I do just want to say that in every recipe I do make and meal prep, I want to make sure that I am getting the 3 food groups in them. So for today, we will be making chicken fried rice. Of course, we have the rice, which will be our carbs. Then we will have our vegetables, and we will have our protein, which will be rice. You can go ahead and use any type of protein, whether it's tofu or beef, whatever you like. You can even use some shrimps. I can't wait to show you guys this recipe. It is easy to make, and of course it is delicious and will keep you full. Before we get started with today's video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. It would really help me a lot. And of course, subscribe to my channel and click that little bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. I do upload every Monday and Thursday. Now let's get to the kitchen and get started. We have reached the kitchen and I have all the ingredients here in front of me. So like I said, we will be making a chicken stir fry, and I love to make this because of course it is healthy and it will stay in my calories that I need in a day in order to be in a deficit, because that's what really counts when you're trying to lose weight. As you can see, I have already chopped up everything, so it's just ready to go and show you guys. Of course, for our vegetables, we will be using peas and carrots, so I already have them prepped here. And of course, to cook those, I will be cooking them in some onions. I am using 2 types, so I'm using a yellow onion and a bit of green. I did chop up a lot of green onions because not only will be using this to cook with, but then we will be using it later on to put on top, but I'll show you that later. And of course, we need lots of garlic. To cook up our rice, we will be using only 1 cup, and that is perfect. Also, I forgot to mention that I will be making 4 servings. So to be cooking the rice, I won't be putting anything in there. I'll just be cooking it plain, because we will be adding all of our seasonings after when we put the rice with the rest of the ingredients. And of course, here I have some already cut up breast chicken. I did use 2 breasts. When we put all this together, we will be using some soya. This is the VH, 30% less soda than the regular one. And of course, the ingredient that you absolutely need is 2 eggs. And a little thing that I like to add, this is optional, but I also like to add some avocado on top when I am eating this, along with some sriracha and some everything but the bagel seasoning. But that will be our toppings for later. And of course, these 3 things I do add the day of. I don't put them directly in each Tupperware when I am making this, but I'll show you all that later. Now that I have explained to you all the ingredients that we will be using, let's head to the stove and I'll show you how to make it. Now that I have the water boiling, we can go ahead and throw in the rice. Give it a good mix. You always want to keep an eye on this and keep stirring gradually, just so that the rice doesn't stick to each other, as well as the pan. Let's put the cover on this. I like to leave just a little bit of room for the steam to escape. And now we'll start cooking the chicken here. So I'll put it to about 8. And of course, the first thing is we will use some olive oil. Not too much, just enough so that the ingredients don't stick to the pan. So we'll go ahead and throw in our onions. As well as all of our garlic. Give that a little stir. We'll throw in our carrots, as well as our peas. As as you can see, I don't go light on the vegetables because we really want to fill our plates with them. They will really help fill us up. And of course, you want to prioritize filling yourself up on vegetables and using less carbs to do so. Now we'll just throw in our chicken. To be seasoning the chicken, I will be using some salt and pepper. I do like to use pink Himalayan salt. So our chicken is cooked and our rice is cooked as well. So now we can go ahead and throw it in here. And now we can also go ahead and add our soya sauce. I don't have an exact measurement to give you for this. I kind of just go ahead and pour some on top. And then if I see that it needs more, I will just add some more. So just stir that up. And now what we'll do is, while that is all cooking together, you want to just make a little hole in the middle, and that's where we will cook our eggs. I am also cooking this on a very low heat since we aren't really cooking anything right now. We are just kind of putting it all together and letting it mix. When the egg is almost done cooking, this is when you will go ahead and mix it all together. You want to really make sure that everything is coated with the egg. Now that this is ready, we can go ahead and put it into our Tupperwares. So like I said, I have 4 Tupperwares here. So I will just equally spread it out between the 4. So there you have it. All of our Tupperwares are ready. Now I will close them up and put them in the fridge like this. And now I just want to show you what I will be doing every day when I will be eating them. I like to put avocado on top. So what I will do is, the avocados I have here are very small, so I will use the full one. But you really want to be careful with avocados because as much as they are healthy for you, they can be very high in calories. If I am using a bigger avocado, I will only use half of it. But like I said, because these are so small, I will use the full one. Once your avocado is placed on top, you want to go in with more green onions. Oh, guys, I love green onions so much, so I like to add a lot. Then I will go in with some sriracha. And finally, the last ingredient is everything but the bagel seasoning. I mentioned this to you guys in all my cooking videos almost because I love to use this on everything. And there you have it. I'm telling you guys, this is so good, but of course we have to try it together. So I'll take a bit of everything, some rice, some vegetables, some avocado, some onions. It is so good. It is so flavorful. Who said that losing weight would be hard when we can eat these delicious foods? Please leave me a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and of course subscribe to my channel to see more health and wellness related videos. Don't forget to check out the other videos I made on giving you guys some tips on how to lose weight and how I personally saw results. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!